Yes, that's for sure. Okay, we're live, bro. That's good. That's a great opener. People are weird. Yeah, for sure.
I'm like, what's the catch? The fucking gold exclusive diaper? Like,
Yeah, it's even on the news too that somebody bought a diaper for $100. A used diaper. I don't know. Maybe the
there's a lot
son
of
of
memes on there.
some sort of king or something. Baby used that diaper.
Shit and gold over there, bro.
Letting go. What's up, guys? Welcome to another live stream. We got a guest here, Elvin Coleman. You know him already.
Hey, what's up, guys?
We're gonna set up his face on here too soon, hopefully. But we're gonna have him on voice, and we're gonna play CS together. All right,
Type
so
shit.
well, usually I go over my watch list once it's done. If we have a trade, we watch it, and then we go play. So I'm gonna start from there. Starting from the trades from yesterday, let's do that. Euro NZD, GBP NZD, and NZD USD were trades from yesterday. You can already see on the screen, no drawdown whatsoever. 65 pips push to the upside on Euro NZD. Pretty identical with GBP NZD. We did see about 10 pips drawdown on there, and currently running at 70 pips. And NZD USD also, this one did have a push against us and then continued to push towards us for 22 pips. However, oh my bad. The NZD USD entry was yesterday. No, it was a day before. I got into NZD here, didn't close it and got it stopped out and didn't enter on NZD USD yesterday. So nothing in there. But the GBP NZD and Euro NZD, both of them did not take any profit yet. However, my stops are at profit. Um, what was it? I forgot the thing. I'm having it below the DMAs. Kind of going with it. I forgot the name of what we used to call it. Or trailing. I'm trailing my stop loss on 1 hour, and I got both of them running. And also we had JPYs. JPYs also running um, Tuesday, Monday. Yeah. So one thing I have to mention to you guys, the NZD, GBP NZD, and Euro NZD, we entered on Monday, and it did push up to this level. I didn't close it, and it stopped me out, and I entered again yesterday. So just putting it there. Same with GBP NZD. All right. Both of them had one stop out on break even, and I'm running it again. And honestly, I could catch some profit here. That's my bad. That is my bad. Looking at JPYs, looking pretty bullish. USD JPYs, all of the DMAs and levels are being respected other than 30 minutes, which while when other all these higher time frames are respected, we usually ignore that 30 minutes. GBP is more respectful in my opinion. You can see the DMA on 1 hour being wicked multiple times and followed by bullish engulfing right before session, like New York session open, which is a good sign. You can look at daily of how good is the momentum, right? And that's a good sign. If and you can see we are above yearly moving average on daily, so this is pretty nice scenario. Remember, when pushing above DMA like this, entering towards continuation is a little bit riskier, but once you see it drop and come back while above yearly moving average, it's more solid move. That's what happened here. We had a push induction towards yearly moving average, which came back above DMA. We had one more push. I came back above DMA and respecting it. So We either gonna see some like this slow move for continuing for days, or we're gonna see some like this 2-3 days of rise, and that would be cool. So we're gonna stay on this. I didn't enter on GBP JPY because I'm on those trades as well, but I got into Euro JPY. And the reason is literally that 30 minutes not respecting the GBP JPY. You can see on Euro JPY, it is actually respecting it perfectly. On 1 hour also, we have a bullish engulfing that closed above DMA. 3 hour DMA was touched perfectly. And the daily looks pretty same too. And this is something I called it before I drew this. Well, I copy pasted this, and that's why I'm entering. I don't want to miss this. So these are the trades for the week. And also Euro CAD, GBP CAD, these two also we took a buy last week and we didn't touch it this week. Same as this one. Can it push? Yes. Why are we not entering? Because we need to see coming back to DMA. I want to see my levels in the my entry should be as close as possible to 1 hour to or 3 hour DMA. While price is away from it, I'll wait. Okay, but the analysis on this one looking pretty solid. So that's about the trades that we are in right now, or we've been. So let's continue and see what happened to the rest of the market. Euro AUD, this week spending time around here, so I think the move for pushing towards the yearly moving average would be next week. Already, actually towards end of the week, maybe not whole and next week. Already we can see this level being hit beautifully. The level, the DMA on 3 hour, perfectly respectful, bullish engulfing. It completely, it's aligned with everything that we want to see. Price coming back to the yearly moving average. And same with AUD USD. The 3 hour is good, but I don't like the 1 hour 30 minutes. So as I said, I don't trade coming back to yearly moving average. However, we want to know it and be aware of it. And between these, I would love the Euro AUD more than all of them. It's more clean. So nothing on the AUDs. Let's take a look at gold. I told you the start of the week that you're gonna see a consolidation between two levels for this week on gold. Just take a look at that. We are 3 days in. There's 2 days left. Okay, why price is doing this? Because all the people seeing this move thinking price just gonna do this every single day, right? And wanted to see happening and want to make their money back because they bought probably. And what is happening right now is price kind of accumulating all orders from here. A lot of people calling sells because of this momentum right now. And what we have here is a trap, a consolidation, macro consolidation here at this low, accumulating sells and then stopping them all out. If this happens up to here, we're almost guaranteed for 3,000. Okay, so we're not gonna touch gold. That's why. Let's go USD CHF. I do love this kind of M formation at yearly moving average. Why do I like it? Because of the after this bearish engulfing, we're coming down. We're coming down here and below DMAs. Cross on the lower time frame, you can see. So the dominoes is starting, you know, and we want to see coming down or playing around here a little bit. Just be patient. It's USD CHF. Absolutely nothing on GPAUD, sorry, GPUSD, and nothing on Euro USD. The reason is obvious. The daily time frame, all averaged together. USD CAD continuing to rise. Jesus. Bro, so this US Ellen, that's funny story because we were on the session yesterday. So I knew this is going up starting around like May 25 around here where this DMA crossed, but it didn't give me any chance to enter. But
Okay.
so what I did was, when I have a currency exchange, right? So I start buying every US dollar from people and not selling it. I usually buy it and sell it to people, but I bought it and not sold it anything. And I already, every US dollar and USDT that I bought, I still hold it. So I'm kind of into this trade in a physical way.
That's a way to. That's a way to do it.
It's it's surprising it keeps going up. Before I used to be like, I'm not in this trade, but now feels better.
Yeah. If you look at the daily, I believe we got a long way to go.
Yeah, very long way to
Yeah.
go.
Like it looks like. Yeah. It looks like a big old W. You know, like it's
Yes,
been consolidating and kind of ranging since last April.
exactly,
And if we look back at January of last year, or January 25, it set a high around 1.48. So macro, I definitely see us going back up. USD CAD is bullish in the macro view for sure.
for sure. Yeah. So what is important for me, bro, is that they came and work around this yearly moving average. They pushed up. I think they're gonna have people trapped here before pushing it up down, and so in a retail world,
Yeah.
we're gonna see um in retail world, we're gonna see some sort of rejection here that people make, like make people believe gonna continue, and then
Yep.
some people are gonna think that this is gonna sell. It will fulfill both of them: induce and a stop hunt. Induce people to sell, stop hunt those who bought. Then we go in here. I'm gonna
Yep.
remove it, but
So it's gonna be a fake resistance. It's gonna play off of this support, gonna trick everybody, and then
just a normal day in a market.
yeah, yeah.
It's a normal day.
That's why you gotta be patient. I can't tell you how many times I know the
Yeah,
direction, I know what it wants to do, but I don't want to wait for the liquidity.
exactly, bro. I have this. Let's finish with the Bitcoin and then I explain it to you. Bitcoin reached this daily DMA. Um, let's just wait for the BTC. Nothing there. And the Ripple, well, I called $10 Ripple based on this. So I copy pasted this move into here, and it fits perfectly. And it was here when I pasted it. And then this already followed. So if we see this, we're going 10. All right. So on the US30 pushing it up, looking at 30 minutes. I think I'm seeing a comeback to DMA. Maybe to 51,600. In 15 minutes, it's a golden time for US30. At 9:30, US30 goes crazy. And we have this gap here. I said it yesterday too. Of a gap here, that price can, kind of fill it up.
Yes. In 15 minutes, that's when the banks are going to be opening. So stocks will be moving. So that's when the stock market opens, and that's when US30 will go crazy.
I have a friend who has a funded account and he only trades US30. He only trades at 9:30. He comes on he's about to, the guy who called me right before session. So he was about to get into his chart and he starts at 9:15 and he's done by 9:45.
Yep. Appointment trading right there.
Literally 9:45 out, and he got, I think he's on his fifth payout already. And that's after one of the funded accounts didn't pay him. He had to go all over again. And he got three payouts there. Two payouts and then they declined the third one. Then you have to go all over again. But it's working for him.
You can S&P 500 would be similar too, and it'll move at the same time.
Hmm. Yeah, I wanted to explain this to you. I have this new kind of a system. It's on my watch list. It is green light, yellow light, red light. So this basically is like a watchtower system, I call it, for the airport. So it's the analogy is that each pair is an airplane, and not all airplanes are ready to take off.
Right.
Some just arrived, needs to be serviced and all. Some are at service, and some are at the line to take off. So this is how I filter my pairs based on daily DMA. If they are in a momentum, they're ready for takeoff, they go to green light. And if they're like, you see the Euro USD, GBP USD, if they're like this, that means they just arrived or they something wrong with them. So we don't take him out. You don't fly with the broken
Go
plane.
get some fuel or something.
Exactly. So then I only take trades that are into green light. So if I'm taking any trip, I'm choosing the green plane. But that way I'm always trading into momentum when price has a momentum. And been good so far.
I like it. That's a good way to filter.
Yeah, I started it from January 2026. I started this because I was getting almost no trade for a lot of days. I was sticking in three, four pairs. Wasn't doing. I was bored.
So this prevents you from just entering a trade because you see maybe a couple confirmations. You waiting for the momentum and the liquidity,
Exactly.
and you're not. It's like an indicator that prevents you from just using indicators.
That's exactly what it is, bro. And a lot of times, you feel like you see something, you don't. And one more thing I did, bro, I changed the yearly moving average from 4 hour to daily. It used to be on 4 hour. It wasn't be on daily. And then a lot of times in a situations like this, you see, on 3 hour, I'll be selling in a situation like this because but look at how it is on three on a daily. This is where it is on daily. So it's right at yearly moving average. So I would not dare to sell here. And this also filters a lot of, I mean, most of my losses were when my 4 hour analysis were wrong, not my entry and stuff. That was my most of the losses for me was when I was wrong in 4 hour, and a lot of time yearly moving average had a role in it. But when I moved it to daily, it becomes so clear. And just look at daily on Euro NZD. It don't let me dare to sell it at all in no way. But before it wasn't like that.
Okay.
I'm changing.
Top down analysis.
Yeah, I'm really top down analyzing the shit out of market now, bro. I'm going daily, 3 hour, 1 hour, and back and forth. Nothing else matters to me, and I don't draw anything. Literally nothing.
So, but are you still entering on lower time frames?
1 hour, 30 minutes max. I don't go anything lower. And even hell, even if 3 hour is at a good place, I enter. And I use my levels strictly for the stop loss. So if I'm entering here, the stop loss is below the level. Um, Now, and I don't really care, bro, about 50 pips, 20 pips, or 100 pips anymore for stop loss. I feel like
Strengthen you.
market humbled me kind of. Say like, who are you to tell me I don't enter with 20 pips or it doesn't go down 30 pips, 50 pips? I just put what's possible. If there is a possibility to push down 70 pips, I do 80 pips.
So
And
you just use structure regardless.
yeah, sometimes the trade give me 1 to 5, and I took literally same trade on crosspair, and that's 1 to 2 because the stop loss on this one was 30, on the other one was 70. And price pushed same way, but the other one has a better risk to reward. I let market give me whatever it wants to give.
But you still gotta you make sure you get your risk to reward. So you're taking swing trades basically.
Yeah, I'm mostly swing in during the week, bro. Like I entered Monday, Tuesday, um, and I hold them. I hold them like USD JPY, something I wouldn't do a couple years ago. Last week Friday, sorry, this week Friday. On this week Friday, I entered the market, and here I have the arrow actually. It's good I'm putting these arrows, I'll forget. So I entered here on Thursday, I kept it on Friday, kept it on Monday, all the way I kept it to here. Wednesday next week I closed it. Because I know not all the moves are one candle push to your TP. Sometimes it would kill you to go. But
Right. You just saw it consolidate, so you didn't trust it at that point.
yeah, but now I do, bro. I just literally sit there and my friend says, close it, like just like this Euro NZD. He was talking to me and he's like, bro, you entered here, price is here, you're watching it, why didn't you close? I'm like, bro, I'm looking at daily and it's just the start of the push. How do you know? I know. So it's something it does just I don't know how it's gonna do it, how long it's gonna take it. I can't tell you that. I just
Have
know
you
it's
ever
good.
caught some trades where you're not necessarily trying to put like a 20 pip stop loss, but the structure still tells you that, hey, if it drops 20 pips, this trade is invalid?
Um
Because you're on the higher time frames, it's basically usually going to be
Yeah, usually not 20 pips. So, because, so here is how it works. So let's say, this one, I saw that price is in bullish move and came above them. So my direction on all higher time frames were good. But when I was entering at 30 minutes, you see here, these candles that week, this is where I entered. So I have this level and DMA here, and there is this low, right? Before I used to say I'm gonna put it below this low, but now I can put it here below my level and DMA within 50 pips, right? 50 pips from where the daily is, it's nothing, right? So like I'm doing my analysis on daily, but I still taking the trade in a lower time frame. My level will tell me that what should I do. Like honestly, in this trade, I think if I'm not wrong, you can go to the previous day's live recording, I probably went with 70 pips because this level is respected. So I put it down here. I can't see what stop loss I put now, but that's how I do it, bro. It's if my level and DMA tells me to better to put 100 pips, I do because overall the analysis is for macro and it's gonna be a macro move. So if I choose to put 100 pips stop loss and come out of it 2 days ago, 2 days after, then I'll be the one kind of not making the money. But when you wait for a couple days for market to play out, like say this move took 15 days, but it's 500 pips. So if you want that, or where are we going? The euro, the GBP AUD and euro AUD sell. Called it live. This one. I called it from here, but personally I got here out. I got about 600 pips. I got out and it went 1300 pips. But it's really up to you. I couldn't stay in the trade this long. Couldn't stay 60 days in the trade. It tested my patience and I lost. Yeah. So that is pretty much the trades, guys, for today. I'm gonna watch them, double check them. The ends that these can come down. I wish not because they're playing with us a lot, coming back and forth. So we'll see what's gonna happen. And the JPYs, which one? I mean your JPY looking solid. All right, let's go play some game now. Coach, please, can you go over EJ again? Sure. How you doing, man? Your JPY basically same thing. Nothing really changed from the yesterday analysis or the whole week. We had a push below daily moving average, playing around both of them, and now starting to see a break of the DMAs with the respect. If I go closer, you can see the DMAs are getting far from each other. And looking at 3 hour and 1 hour, you can see the cross start of the week. Respect yesterday on London session. 3 hour, perfect respect. 30 minutes, level and DMA respected perfectly. This is Asian session, 7 to 11 Eastern time PM. It's not even London session. It's an Asian session. And then it goes toward the London will make the move. And then we come to New York session. So I think this yeah, so I entered right around here, I think. Let's see. Not in not even in profit. Yeah, just right here where I entered. And my stop loss is below the level in this low. That's the only one. And we are into Euro NZD and GBP NZD as well. I think if we're right, all three just gonna explode. Alright. And we also have a guest today on the game. Let me put this Sean on desktop. Are you started? Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take you to the new one, bro. Come to the room.
Okay. Okay. Let me back out of here.
Alright, chat. Look what just gonna happen. Elvin showing up on the screen. Couple seconds. But not in the regular outfit you
Are
used to
you
see
on
him.
YouTube right now?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Check the chat.
Today not many
Okay.
people.
Let me join.
Mm.
Let me join this.
Yesterday was one of the good ones. We had like 18 or 19. Here we go.
Golden Pips
This
General.
is the trading game.
Mr. GPG. Hey, I see you. Mute the stream.
So, bro, this one is the most action type of this game in my opinion. Kill you so many times. It's so fun.
What is it?
The one that I told you don't have to buy a gun. So we are in a team. We are in a team. We have to kill terrorists, and every 2 kill, your gun will change.
Okay.
So it's basically to master all the guns.
Arms race. Get it. Did you pick counter terrorist?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I saw your username.
Okay. Wait, we're playing bots? Maybe some bots.
Yeah, yeah. They will join and go. So they put some of them. Oops. Bro, is that you? Yeah, bro, that's you. Wait, wait. Come, look at me. Look at me. Oh, come back here. Come back here. I have a thing. Come back here. No, where did you go?
I'm still in the
Oh,
chat.
jeez, they killed me too. I have a
This one's hard.
yeah, bro. Find me.
That was
We're
fun.
gonna go to the link, bro. That's what I'm saying. That's the most action one, and it's like 33 kill. I think about 33 kill. So, bro, if we are like together, we can have so you can know on the above our head says our username. So when you look at other people, you can see the username. So if we play together, we can dominate them. So we can like
Hey, it sounds good to me.
yeah, and I know I like we can do different. Oh, bro, this one is so crazy. You're gonna die so many times on this.
Uh,
This is a pool day party.
Mr. GPG.
Exactly. So,
You need a golden suit.
oops. Oh, what are you doing?
Good kill. I'm by their spawn. They're all right. No, you're shaking me. Spot. Oh, sorry. If I had any gun other than a sniper, it would have been annihilation.
You have to kill to get better gun.
This reminds me of Nuketown a little bit. That's my favorite
So if they knife you, you will go back to your previous gun. So basically, you lose a point.
game.
And there is a guy who's like coming for everyone with the knife.
Yeah, you just got me.
Bro, it's fun with you in it.
I don't know about sniping though. I think I'm gonna just keep sniping. And try to snipe them before they knife me. What are those playing cards? Can I do something? It's like a little symbol. Ooh, I got a new gun. Thank you. All right, now I can cook. Now I can cook. Come on down. Oh shoot. Ooh, that didn't work. Oh my gosh, try to stab me.
I stabbed the guy who keep stabbing you.
Oh, you're doing it. Wow, you're killing.
Oh my god, he did it to me again.
You're stupid.
He ran away to you.
Oh my gosh, Forex.
So, your ends are coming down a little bit. Doing live. Every time it comes to this map, bro, I get so busy I can't do anything else. I can't talk about charts or anything. Ouch. Once I was first year. Iron knife.
This one's fun. Quit trying to stab me.
Okay.
Ooh, I got a new gun. This is the one I wanted. Has a scope and it's auto.
Alright. This guy won. I'm second.
You
Hey.
almost won. You got the scope. How didn't you win? You had it.
Because he knifed everyone.
Oh,
So he got like a lot of points. Bro, I swear if we come and play together and your face be in it too, this live stream gonna explode.
hey, I'm in. I'm in.
CT. Okay. So, bro, for this one, we have a nice things to do. Wait, let me find you. Okay,
Oh, this map, I got my butt kicked.
here. Can you see
I
me?
see a good spot. Yeah, I see you. You're in front of me.
Let's. I'll find you. I'll come to you, and then let's go together. Okay, here you are.
Yo,
Let's
let's
go.
get it.
So you have to be sneaky, okay?
Okay.
Like this, quickly run to here, come to the end, jump down here. Oh, you had to jump.
Way down.
Okay, now I'm here. So if you do half jump, now we are on the other side of them, where they spawn. So starting from here, when they pop up, just kill them. Come here.
Ooh,
Hide, hide, hide behind the door.
got him.
So they spawn
They're
here.
coming around the left. Turn around. They flanked us.
Ouch, they killed me too. So I keep doing this, so I keep going down, and I keep fucking them up. They don't expect you there.
Oh, that's you. Yeah. To go all the way around. Let me do what you just did. Oh, I see you. I'm headed towards you. Oh, ooh, you shot him in the face.
Zed coming down.
Are you already in your NZD or you're looking to buy it?
I'm in.
Okay. Hmm. Oh, I'm going underground to the left side. Oh, I see you.
You lost in the map.
I was trying to find you, but like every time I try to head towards you, I end up getting some action on my way and
Yeah.
get distracted.
That's funny. Go up your ends and stop.
Ooh, I was gonna jump down and stab. Okay, focus.
My names was bot and he saw me behind the bot. Hate this.
Almost there. I need to get back to my camping. To the magic.
Oh my god, I was about to kill
I'm
the
trying to help you.
guy.
They got me.
They didn't let me.
Oh yeah, I got my butt kicked this time.
There's a guy up there killed me 4 times. I have to do something.
Everyone
That's the same guy who sees it.
Dude, these chickens. Are there so many chickens?
Finally, I killed the motherfucker. Did I? No, somebody else did, but I died too. I thought I did it. Oh,
Yeah, you can go.
ah, it's into stick. That guy hates me right now.
Ooh. Yeah, Kermit the Frog is kicking my arch. I'm not a fan of this map. But the one before this, oh, that one's fire.
Bro, this one's cool too. What it takes a little bit to learn the map.
Yeah, I gotta learn my spots. I feel like I'm always in the open
Yeah,
and people are
exactly.
always shooting me.
Ah,
Yeah, that was brutal.
this guy keep putting me on spot. Well, my favorite is shoot. If we go the next one, that's my favorite.
Shoots, okay. Daytime or night?
Um, whatever they choose.
Okay.
So the day one is if you be a city, it's good to be on nights because you can hide easier. On the day, terrorist, you can hide better. But I always be special.
Oh, there goes US30.
What happened?
It's bullish.
Oh, bullish.
Mm-hmm. Interesting enough, S&P is. I don't know. It looks like it stopped hunting. Let me look at the daily. Can you look at S&P 500?
Big charts. GC runs good day coming down. GPX will be coming down. And something. S and it's up with some and
Oh, this map is cool.
it's pretty much looking like US30, bro. I do see bullish engulfing 1 hour on the day. So probably bullish for the day.
Yeah, that's what I was seeing. Yeah, there we go. And it's interesting how the S&P and the US30 did the same, are doing the same thing, but the S&P lagged.
Yeah, impacted me.
Ooh, this one is going crazy. You mind if I show you one random pair?
Sure.
Okay, it's called UKO SD UKO USD. It's
UKO
USD.
USD.
I actually started looking at it when you were telling me about oil.
Oh yeah, yeah. My brother looking at this one too a lot. The Brent too.
But
It's
it moves with the US 30 a lot of times.
yeah. It's pretty much, bro. It's identical to the WTI most of.
Oh yeah.
It's just a little bit different prices. See, I'm gonna change it to WTI. You see, literally nothing changes. It's just a different quality oil.
Right.
So the WTI, I'm not sure. One of them is for like Middle East oil, and one of them is for like North America oil.
Right.
So for some reason, I'm not sure why, that the North America oil, the Middle East oil is better. Looks like it's heavier or something. And then for some of the purposes they can use. Oh, I'm not in the.
Freaking sniper rifle. I hate the sniper rifle. Can't do it.
Let me change this one to your JPY and GBP.
Oh, I can stun him. That kills him too.
Yeah.
Okay. It just doesn't have range. I don't know what it's doing. Oh wow. US 30's going crazy.
Holy shit. I turned in a place where there was like four of them.
What were you? You said NZUSD
Hey
home
bro, where you have been? Good to chat with you. This is Bukola. Oh, this is Bukola? How you doing, Bukola?
Hey,
Alvin, she's talking to
hey,
you.
bro.
Says, hey bro, where have you been? Good to chat with you. This is Bukola GPG students. How you doing, Bukola?
Welcome to the past.
Keep forgetting my coffee every day and I'm having iced coffee.
I gotta make a Starbucks run in a little bit.
Kermit the Frog.
I know that guy's a beast. interesting to see who'll still be trading.
Yeah, exactly. I was in a good run. They killed me.
Come on, I stabbed that guy. I was trying to shank somebody. I want to shank somebody. I'm gonna shank somebody. I'm gonna shank somebody right now.
Come
Yeah, I shanked somebody. All right, let's try that again. Yeah, come on. Oh, that's fun.
on. Nice. I think Kermit the Frog is not playing because we're getting good at it. We're killing a bunch of bots now.
Damn, it's not. No wonder. Oh yeah, it's all bots.
Bro, the only way we become so good like this. And I be better than Kermit the Frog?
All right, I gotta go home. All right, they killed me.
Ouch.
I just need like a grenade, just blow them all up. Okay, these bots kind of good. Gonna shank them though. Let's go. Let's go shank some bots.
I have a place to hide here. Ooh, they did my job.
Dude, these bots are kicking butt.
Knife the guy around. Should have let me.
Yay. All right, be
I've
patient,
been
chat.
trying to hide people for so long now.
I was getting impatient. I was just running.
Finally.
Oh my god.
First.
Shutting.
That was hard.
Okay, that's gonna be my last one for this morning.
They killed me so many times trying to knife them.
That's what I was doing. I only knifed one person. Oh, we got
GBNZD.
more.
GP.
Nice. Ooh, US30 is pumping so hard. I'm gonna go check my stock portfolio because I want to see what the tech stocks are doing. Yeah, bro, I made so much trading, buying stocks using our methods.
Nice.
So easy. But oh, I was gonna say if you can. Oh, never mind. I got it.
Oh, Kermit the Frog is back. I'm gonna be meaning.
Kermit back with his teeth. Oh, Euro NZ's moving. Wait, you said you were looking for buys?
Yeah, yeah, it's
Or you
going
okay? Okay,
against
that
me
might
now.
mean I have an opportunity. Oh, okay. Let's go look. Okay. I see what you see on the daily.
There is a guy who's crazy, bro. I can't even kill him with anything. He either knifes you or kill you with a gun.
But yeah, I'm gonna need you to get me set up with DMA and Jibonacci because I want to see where your level is on Euro NZ.
Sure, bro. Now it's
We can do
on.
that later.
Yeah, now it's on Trading View, and
Oh, you can look it up.
I have to give you access with your username first, and then it shows up on your indicator tab. Ouch.
I'll send you it after this thing.
Yeah, just send me your username.
Okay. Let me jump off of here. What days do you stream?
But there's what?
What days do you stream?
What is that stream?
Like what time? What days are you gonna be on here?
I didn't get what you mean.
What days are you gonna live stream on YouTube?
Oh, live stream, bro. I didn't get the live. Monday to Friday, bro. I was like, what is he talking about?
Oh, I didn't know you do it every day.
Yeah, Monday to Friday, bro. I'm doing it.
That's cool. Yeah, even if Friday is a Friday, you can still manage trades and
Yeah, yeah. Since I'm doing it more of a, enter and leave it alone for quite sometimes, then it just doesn't matter which day I'm entering. Sometimes the trap day is a good day to enter for me.
right.
Uh, you won't believe it. I killed the Kermit the Frog.
You kill Kermit? 13? That was hard, man.
Not even myself. I can't believe it. This fucking frog looks cute, but it's dangerous, bro.
And I'm jumping off, but I'll shoot you a text in a minute. Thanks for inviting me, bro.
Don't worry, brother.
All right, peace.
See you later. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed having Elvin on the chat today. Not in the live, not in the chat. And I'm happy I figured that FinTech Villa NG is, FinTech Villa Nigeria is our Bukala. Very excited to see most of you guys that have been with me for a long time are still trading. It's a great thing to know, honestly. If you don't give up, you can't lose. Don't lick the frog. I can't believe there is a frog. We got the Kermit the Frog, and we also got the Don't Lick the Frog. We've killed Kermit the Frog again. Let's keep pushing, coach. For sure, for sure. There's no reason to quit, The trading, if you manage your risk, you're gonna be alright. They're not gonna throw you out of the game. And then it's just a matter of time you start earning. The break even phase is the hardest one, is the longest one, in my opinion. The break even phase that really bugs. You do everything correct, but it just doesn't work, you know? Um, thank you, thank you. And then once you start making money, then the first 100K is a milestone to reach. And I haven't reached the rest to tell you. I'm on my way to rest. Mm. Now they're looking. Entity is coming against us. Didn't really feeling about it. Thank you. I was stuck in there with that guy. I never jumped to snipe anybody. It's not even a sniper. Let's go to the chart a little bit. It's 10:05. Close the session if nothing is happening. um so far the trades that I took is not going check. So GBNZD, I'm in break even, so it can take me out around here anytime soon. Maybe I can just, not sure. Let me see, 15 minutes. If it's respecting 15 minutes or something, then we might hold it. It's a lot of times start of New York session they can play around it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna hold it. I'm not gonna close it. It's pretty close to the stop to break even too. It's pretty close to the GPNZD. That they might respect just right here. Alright, looking okay. I know it's on a drawdown, but it's a okay drawdown. Things are being respected so far. And if not, I'm just gonna have one loss because the others are break even. We didn't have a loss for the week. I think just one. Let's see. This week, three. Yeah, just one. The USD JPY. All right, thank you guys for being in the session with me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, everyone gonna join and we have more fun.